Welcome to my channel. Today we will practice daily use English sentences. So let's start practice with me. If you want to improve your English, daily practice just for 5 minutes. Let's start. You may take the book. You may take the book. May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? He got a lot of money. He got a lot of money. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? I have to go now. I have to go now. May I speak to you? May I speak to you? I am afraid to go. I am afraid to go. I am trying to sleep. I am trying to sleep. Please shut the door. Please shut the door. Go and see who it is. Go and see who it is. I am fond of swimming. I am fond of swimming. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? I am near the station. I am near the station. I paid him the money. I paid him the money. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Nobody speaks to him. Nobody speaks to him. I told him to come. I told him to come. I know what to do. I know what to do. Let's go to a movie. Let's go to a movie. I'll come if necessary. I'll come if necessary. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe for more informative videos.